got a new one. I got a new one. I got a new one.
He's gonna die, Spencer. That thing's gonna die. You're gonna give it a heart attack.
He's right. He's in the vent. He's in the heating right there.
No, it's not.
What the fuck?
You're gonna kill that thing.
I can reach you.
Put it in the cage, Spencer. He's gonna leave it out of the cage.
Shit's getting old real quick.
Partner.
Let's do him breathe.
Huh? Okay, put it in the cage. I don't think it wants to hang out with you. Look at it latch onto the side of that deer. Dive bomb! What the fuck? Put it back in its cage.